Hello, everybody. This is Mike from MBoxWave.com. This morning's market, Emini Nasdaq, looks very exciting to me. We've got a lot of volatility going on, so it's probably we can expect price to be moving here. I just got in a minute or two ago into a long position. Um, I took out two positions, 20 contracts right away for me. One position is 10 contracts. I got in 20 contracts because of the strength of the setup, and I'll explain the analysis that I saw. It was really, really good, and it looks like we're already in some profits here. Already, 500, 200. Well, it was about 1,000, but it looks like things are going strong, so I'm just going to cover the analysis, and then we'll see what happens. Basically, I got in after I saw this pullback right here, and I'll draw a box around it. So the signals are great entry positions, after you observe the technical analysis of the indicators. And the technical analysis of the indicators will give you an indication for how strong, a move is good for. So right off the bat, when the market opened, we jumped about 20 points right here in this blue box right here. In about 2 minutes, we jumped up 20 points. Right before the market opened, price was moving down, and it looked very sluggish. So I'm just going to go ahead and start you know drawing out these things that I saw that I didn't do yet on my own. But this would be your effort, no result. And this becomes clear after this box here. Now, this doesn't look like a huge amount of demand, but you have to be looking at the price movement here, right? We literally moved up like right here 20 points in 2 minutes. So this looks more like to me ease of movement, where the order flow hasn't caught up to price yet. It's that the market is so exhausted that it just springs right up. I saw that the cumulative supply here, this looks like exhaustion, right? This looks climactic to me. Climax, supply, climax. Given how easily price moved up here with the ease of movement, after we have that, that verifies that this is effort, no result. It verifies that this is climax. And, to set it all off, we had the huge pace of the offers. Huge pace of offers right here. So, when you're looking at the analysis, the main thing is to look for that, everything lines up, makes sense, and sometimes it's not, right when we saw this, the huge pace of offers, we also see the ease of movement. Looking at the ease of movement, we can confirm this is effort, no result, and that this is a supply climax because it kind of climaxes and then price just jumps 20 points. So yes, that looks definitely climactic to me. It looks like demand is beginning to grow in the MBox delta, and the Kyoto delta looks like it's on the rise. This looks like demand coming in, and this is all happening in real time. So we're already up 3,000 over $3,000 in profits. Looks like we're going in strong. So I wanted to talk about my position here, where put my stop and profits. Looks like, I don't know how quickly we're going to reach it, but it's high volatility, so anything can happen. But when market is volatile, I usually like to put my stops under the swing point, which would be right here. But given the volatility of the market, we had this a strong up bar, plus we had this pin bar, so it looked like price had reversed, and so due to that and the high volatility, I decided to put my stop below this bar instead. Also want to point out that this right here, we have an engulfing bar that literally took out the previous X amount of bars, about that many bars, just in 1 minute. So that also gives a lot of strength to the movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16 bars it took out in 1 minute. I guess we're getting pretty close. Looks like, this is even more demand right here. Should talk about my take profit level. Usually I zoom out and looks like we're going really strong. I could actually raise it. But right here and right here, this was an area of resistance. I didn't, they're very close together, so I put my profit line in the middle. When we had a Friday, and then Sunday open, price dropped here, so I wasn't sure about right here, but I just put my profits there. I mean, if I can hit this profit level, that'll already be over eight grand in profits really fast. So I probably would just be done for the day if we just hit that, because that's really fast. And if you can make profits that quickly after the market opens and be done for the day, that's all that matters. All that matters is consistency, right? We're not trying to get greedy. We're not trying to be fearful, or we're doing what's reasonable. If we hit the profits very quickly, and stand to make over $8,000, $9,000 in profits, then that's good enough for the day. So I just saw this really solid analysis, and we can continue looking at this. Look at basically, if you look here, there's just no supply. And demand is on the rise in the MBox delta and the cumulative delta. I mean, we look like in great shape. I guess I put the words in that I needed to put in. And now I guess we're gonna wait to hit that profit. I'm contemplating if I wanted to move that stop, but I mean the profit line, but I'd be really happy with a short trading days. So anyway, I'll put the record on pause. Looks like maybe we'll have some correction here. I'm not sure, but I'll put the record on pause and come back when we see something more. Okay, so not that much time passed, and looks like we're gonna about to hit it. So I decided just to let it roll and see if I can catch this on video. We're literally just, oh, there it goes. We just hit the target. All right, so that's $9,700 in profit, and we're done. I mean, it looks like market is still strong. There's a lot of demand. Start with the ease of movement, this engulfing bar, the huge pace of offers. I think it's actually very likely that the market will continue going higher. But that said, since I made my $9,700 in profit, I'm happy to be done with the day that quickly. And it's all about consistency. If you hit your goal, you're done for the day. Just why not call it a day? Yes, the market looks looks strong, we can continue trading. But we can also be done for the day. If I continue trading, I'd be looking for next entry points, perhaps another pullback or something. But I'm very happy with the $9,700 in profit. So I guess in this situation, it's like when you make a single trade and you hit your goal, it's like you're one and done. Like you made one trade and you're done for the day. So the analysis was rock solid, and so very happy about that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this information is helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.